Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer photos from your iPhone to iPad mini 7th generation. So in order to transfer photos from your iPhone, on your iPhone you will need to, for instance, go to the Photos app, and first you need to select photos and or videos that you want to transfer. You can transfer just one, or you can press select in the top right corner and then you can select photos that you want to transfer. If you do this method, then you want to press this button over here in the bottom right corner. You want to search for the same on your iPhone, and then you should be able to use AirDrop in order to do so. So the steps are pretty much identical on the iPhone and on the iPad, so you can follow the instructions, the same instructions on your iPhone in order to transfer photos from the iPhone to this iPad. And in addition to that, if you want to transfer just one photo, then of course you can open the photo, once again search for the same button, and then you should be able to find AirDrop. And in addition to that, you can also use, of course, iCloud. If you use the same Apple account on both devices, then you can go to the settings and then tap on your name in order to open the Apple account settings. You want to go to iCloud, and then over here you may be able to find photos in Save to iCloud. You want to make sure that it is actually enabled. Of course, if you want to, because it's not required. And you can synchronize every photo that you have on this iPad as well as on the iPhone. Just make sure that the synchronization is actually enabled for the iCloud on both devices. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!